If you was beefing at that wedding, you should have been beefing at that wedding. Why would you bring this to somebody else's club? That's sad. Why would you bring that to somebody else's club? Why would you bring that to somebody else's club? Why would you bring that to somebody else's club? That's sad. If you was beefing at that club, you shouldn't have been beefing at that club. Cut.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Hey guys, MAKEUPSY here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my first Christmas look and I am so excited, so happy to do this because I really wanted to step out of my comfort zone today. I don't like really doing face makeup. That's just my personal preference. I'm not a face makeup artist. I just do simple, you know, straight to the point makeup. Today it's different. Today is new, and I'm going to be doing this really like reindeer sleigh, like literally a reindeer sleigh. In the picture that I'm basically getting my inspo from, I'll put a picture up here. Basically, her eyebrows were a little bit more inward, but I just followed my normal eyebrows. Trust me, the faces that I'm going to be making is still going to be just as bomb as hers. I have my reindeer antlers, and yeah, I'm ready to get this thing started. And let go. Blending out concealer, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I hear people say, you know what I mean, like 50 million times. I do know what you mean. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Can you not? You know what I mean? 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 Yes. Yes. I know what you mean. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Reel it in. Reel it in, sis. Okay, so boom, I got me some more new brushes. Y'all know I love these Wet n Wild brushes. I got me another crease brush, another blending brush, and then I got me another flawless brush because I feel like my flawless brush is going through it. So this is how it looks old, and this is the new one. And yeah, let me stop talking. Let's get to this tutorial, so. Okay, so boom, I'm finna mess up this new brush. Should I?
The red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
So now that I'm like pretty much where I think it needs to be, I'm gonna go in just a little bit closer to my corners of my eye because I see that she has her wing liner starts from the corner and then it makes its way up. But since I have hooded eyes, I want to make sure that it actually looks like I don't have hooded eyes. So I'm gonna make my wing liner go just a bit above. But before I do that, I want to make sure that where I'm about to get ready and place the wing liner, I want to make sure that it's nice and dark. We're gonna grab this one And we're just gonna take a darker shade and mainly focus it on like as if I'm cutting my crease. So I took this color out of the Crayon Case palette and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this color out of the Even palette and just place it right above where I know my wing liner is going to be, just so we can start that darkness already. Okay, so what I did was basically put some tape on the edges of my eye. I don't usually have to do this when I do wing liners, but this is a different type of wing liner, sis. And so based off the picture, I'm guessing that she blended out the edges of her cut crease. I mean, not cut crease, the wing liner. And I'm just gonna use a black shade out of the Crown Brushes, their palette called the Cosmic Collection. And I'm basically gonna take it on, this is a small eyeshadow brush by Ruby Kiss. And I'm just going to blend it out before it starts to dry. This reindeer is naughty. No, I'm just playing. The lashes that I'm going to be using today are by Dulzura Cosmetics. These are 25mm lashes. I've already worn these in a previous look. I'll be, insert that, of course. And then these are the ones I'm going to be wearing today because they're long. They're very dramatic, and these are in a style. I want to say this right. CHAPARRITA. Yeah. That's what I'm going to go for, CHAPARRITA. So if you would like to purchase these lashes, go ahead and do so. The link will be in the description box below. You can use code MAKEUPSY16 and you can get some money off, sis. Okay, so I'm back. I've already did my under eye, just basically the same exact colors that I did for the top. I'll use it for the bottom. I've been sitting here contemplating whether I want to do bottom lashes or not. Give it that dramatic effect that I'm looking for. So I think I'm going to do bottom lashes. Time for the freckles, if that's what you want to call them. I'm going to be using my NYX Jumbo white pencil. So brush right here and basically scooping it out. I've used this, I had this for so long. Okay, so now that I'm done with the freckles, I know I ain't do like the best job, but you just gotta wait, let it all come together. Okay, so I'm gonna take this is the Urban Decay. This is a glide on eye pencil, and I just like that it's easier to use versus when liquid liner and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna use this to basically carve out my nose. I'm starting at where I put that little dot at because I kind of made a mistake. So I'm just basically my red. This is NYX as well. So I'm gonna take, this is in the shade Amsterdam. I'm gonna take it and put it right here.